Masu, you really believe we can get those 12 females per month?
Of course we can. Now that you have a place to operate from.
It won't be just any random girls we're taking, right?
Anthony, have I ever gone back on my word?
No, Masu, you haven't.
Anthony, the reason I set you up so well is to lure the girls who want money and material things. The ones who think that sleeping with a rich man is the norm. The ones who take away people money.
Okay, I understand.
You have been hurt terribly by these young girls. And so have I. This is how they learn.
Sir, I think we need to take in Michelle for questioning.
No, I don't think that's necessary, you know. As a matter of fact, that's the least of our problems. You could almost call this case done and dust.
Sir, what you mean?
See?
Sir, what you mean about done and dusted?
Let's just say that there is more to this case than meets the eye, but less for us to be concerned about. I tell you what, we're going to just make Savage finish it up.
Sir, you orchestrate all of this? You play Savage on the same case that I am? Savage to the point where him take the same youth, Kareem, that I wanted to question, on the day of me questioning Kareem, him turn up too.
It ever occurred to you that he may have saved you from going down a dead end?
Sir, which dead end?
Alright, let me help you out very quickly. How would I have anything?
Huh?
It is not my opinion. I am convinced that this isn't what it seems to be. You must never forget, you are an agent, not a serving police officer in uniform. You are undercover. And the way you're going about this is going to blow your cover before you even put it on. So I tell you what, if crap is going to come up out of this, let it be on Savage's hands.
You want to make somebody that could be possibly involved into the kidnapping of this young lady just
You mean
what?
like criminal actions? You mean like the fact that Shoppy walking around? You are still responding to this entire situation from a personal viewpoint. Are you certain this is not a vehicle to run over Michelle?
Sir, listen to me. I am way past this whole Aaron issue.
Then stop looking in your rear view mirror.
I admit that I'm young to certain things, but somehow it's just, it get the best of me. And I just tend to walk
I
around.
tell you what, I admire your passion, you know. I admire it. But it is ill-placed. Why, when you were around this Casey, that is where your passion was. Now you say what? It's long past it. Redirect the passion and leave anything that remotely associates itself with that past out of your way. Look, I had a discussion with Lioness. And the other people don't want you on this. We want you elsewhere. We need you elsewhere.
So, you want me to walk away?
I don't want you to walk away. I want you to run. Look, where I need you is straight back on this human trafficking ring.